Hello everyone, welcome to KT Food Adventure. Today I'm going to share the recipe with you how to make grilled pork on a skewer. So today I'm going to make 2.5 pounds pork butt. This one is really good if you use pork butt or pork shoulder, but I prefer the pork butt. Equal to 1.1 kilogram. We need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 stalks lemongrass. And the lemongrass, I do not chop it. I just beat it, cut it in small pieces and beat it a little bit. We also need 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped shallots, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of annatto oil, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon 5 spice powder. If you like more spices like shallots or crushed garlic, you're welcome to put extra, but not too much. Otherwise, you don't have enough sauce. Or if you make it more than 2.5 pounds, please make sure you add more sauce to it, but make sure you add the same ratio that I used today. So the one I'm using, condensed milk, this brand is really good. It's longevity brand, the one with the old Buddha one. This brand gives you really good taste and aroma, and including the fragrance of the meat when you with the taste as well. You're welcome to use any other brand, but I prefer this brand when it comes to cooking. I will share the recipe how to make the annatto oil, the orange color behind the longevity condensed milk. The 5 spice powder and curry powder I'm using today is this brand. I prefer Vietnamese brand for curry powder. It's really good and it gives you really the color, really look really nice and taste really good as well. But you are welcome to use any brand. I'm gonna give you in the description and also the comment. I'm gonna give you all the links where to get the ingredient. You can always find these ingredients in Asian grocery store or on Amazon. So today we're making the skewer. The meat, you can use this recipe for the pork chop and also chicken wings as well. So now in a small pan, I add half cup of oil, any cooking oil, equal to 125 milliliter, and 1 full tablespoon of annatto seeds. When it's boiling, you need to remove it and strain it immediately. But right now, you don't have to wait till the oil is boiling. You can add it in now, or you can wait it a little bit. When it's hot enough, then you can add the seeds in. But as soon as it's boiled, about 5 seconds, then you need to remove it. Otherwise, if you don't remove it quick enough, it's gonna burn the flavor, and the color is gonna turn really red, dark red, and it won't taste good. So I hope that you can follow this exact recipe. You can always double the recipe and keep this oil. Don't have to put it in the fridge. You can leave it outside and you can store it for 2 to 3 weeks. And I tend to use this a lot instead of food color, unless I have to. So in a large bowl, add all the ingredients in and mix well. So this one, I just put the sugar, the shallots, crushed garlic, and lemongrass, and also honey. Don't forget to put honey in here. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I use the brand called Flying Tiger, or it's also called Phu Quoc. It's the same one, but they have 2 different logo on it. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you don't remember the exact measurement, you can always go back to the beginning where I put exact measurement. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 2 tablespoons of annatto oil. This will give you the really nice color. When it's mixed with curry powder, it gives you orange yellow color, like very light yellow color, and it tastes good and it looks really nice as well. And now add oyster sauce, 1 full tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm using this brand, Kikkoman brand, but there are several kinds. This one is small bottle. It's a little bit expensive than you buy a bigger bottle or a bigger container. It's made in USA. Even though it's the same brand, but different packaging, then it can made from China, from Japan, anywhere else. But as for this one, this small bottle is from made in USA. But you always have to look at the label if you care about where it's from. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of spice powder and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Mix it well. And I also add in here 1 to 2 tablespoon orange juice. This will give you a really, kick in taste and balance the sweetness. So if you have more, like 3 pounds, 4 pounds, make sure you add more orange juice and increase the ingredient. Make sure you have enough sauce to cover all the meat, and make sure it's all blend well. And then you add the pork butt, and can you see there's like lard, like fat in the middle of the meat. We need that. So doing this for grilling, you always need to have fat in the meat, otherwise it's really dry. So mix well and marinate in the refrigerator at least 4 to 5 hours, but best is always overnight. I love it when you leave it overnight, like all the meats like seasoned very well by that time. And you can always ask your butcher, but I think you can only do that for Asian store. I don't think anywhere would do that, but some Asian store they would do that. If you ask, they will slice the meat for you. Now I leave it in the refrigerator and preparing the sauce for basting. So in a small bowl, I put 1 tablespoon of the following: garlic, shallot, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, annatto oil, sugar, and half a teaspoon of honey. But if you like sweetness, 1 tablespoon of honey doesn't hurt. It's still really good. So after I add all the ingredient in here, please taste it to your liking. But of course, remember you need to have the sweetness taste in there. Don't put too salty. You don't like your grilled pork to be salty because you will eat it with rice or broken rice or vermicelli with vegetable, and you also eat with fish sauce. So make sure you have enough sweetness. And again, this recipe is from my restaurant before previous restaurant. So trust me on this one. You will love it. And mix well, and then I will add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of 7-Up or Sprite, whatever you have available at home. You can put 3 tablespoons of 7-Up if you like, if you have more meat, but always adjust it to your liking. Now, look at the skewer. I tend to soak it overnight and boil it before I, grill it. And remember to remove all the wooden parts or anything around the skewer, because it has a lot of dust around it too. So make sure you clean it well before you use it. And fold the meat neatly and nicely like what I'm doing, and put one by one, to the stick. I tend to use the lemongrass like this because to prevent the burning. You can also chop the lemongrass, but doing that you have to be really careful when you grill it because it can burn the lemongrass. So I tend to beaten the lemongrass like this just to get the flavor and the juice out of it instead of chopping the lemongrass. But do just follow your recipe, my recipe, and you can always adjust it to your liking. You will love this. And I'm gonna barbecue in my backyard. I tend to put just one layer of the charcoal, and this one is is the butane, it's gas, portable grilling. I can take this to the picnic, to the park, it's very easy to carry around. So I love this one. I will put a link on the description and under the comments as well where to buy it. It's from Amazon. I hope that if you need to buy it, please click on the link to support our channel. Even though it's very small portion, but it still helps a lot. So during the grilling, make sure you baste the sauce that you just made earlier. So when you see the high flame, remember to remove the meat and you dip with the sauce or you baste with the sauce. I only put one layer of charcoal because to prevent the too high, and also if you have it too high, like too much of charcoal, you're gonna burn the meat. So I just have one layer only, and also if you cannot finish it, it's a waste. So I just use one layer only. So keep flipping and brushing the sauce until it's cooked. In the meantime, you see it's look at the flame, it's kind of high. So you remember to flip it constantly to prevent burning. Oh, by the way, this is our backyard. Uh-oh. Quick trip backyard equal to meat burn. But no problem. I'm going to trim it later. We still can eat it. Not bad, right? Yeah, it's still okay. It's still edible. It smells so delicious. So total of 2.5 pounds. I have 6 sticks with small, tiny little pieces. That's for Jaden. So keep brushing and basting the sauce until it's all done. Smells so good. Looks yummy, right? Ta-da! And here's the grilled pork skewer. Remember to remove the burning part. Do not eat it. I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know how it tastes. Can you see it? So juicy, right? Let me remove this small tiny part burning. Yum, yum, good. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna eat some more. I appreciate for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up by click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Sharing a video is really important, guys. Oh, here, let me show you close up. See how juicy it is? It's so good. And if it's possible, there's a button, there's a bell right next to subscribe. Please click on that bell because it will notify you when I upload a new video. So remember to remove all the burning part. But if you keep turning, then you won't have any burning because I walk away and film the backyard. That's why. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I appreciate that. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you next time.